that part in the Hello, Mr. Geiselhart here, and we're going to try and find the equation of the tangent line for this problem number 6. And I'm going to start with the limit. The limit is, as x approaches 6, because I want it at 6, is equal to f of x, which is just x cubed, minus, and then we have a, which is just 6 cubed, over x minus 6. So when I simplify this, I'll have the limit as x approaches 6 of x cubed minus, now 6 cubed is 216. So this number here is going to be 216. It's not going to be minus, it's not going to be a negative 216, because the minus comes from out in front. It's just the number that I'm putting in there. It's just the number of 6 cubed over x minus 6. Now, we learned before, or have a little hint here, that if you have something x cubed minus 6 cubed, you can look at this part here to figure out what that factors into. So I'm really going to take a look at the top part because I already have it written like x cubed minus a cubed. So a is just going to be 6. So I have the limit as x approaches 6 of, then it's going to be x minus 6 times x squared plus 6x plus 36. All of that over x minus 6. Now my x minus 6's cancel out, so I'm left with the limit as x approaches 6 of x squared plus 6x plus 36. So I'm just going to put 6 in place of x. So that'd be 6 squared plus 6 times 6 plus 36, which is 36 plus 36 plus 36, which equals 108. So my slope is 108. Now, my x value we know is 6, so that goes there. My slope is 108, so that goes there. And now the equation of my line is y minus 216 equals my slope, 108, times x minus 6. And that will be my equation for that one.